They got to do it early in the candle. They might not even make it back that far. How about this? All right. Agro scalp 8250.
So Ukraine State Nuclear Company says there are still some Russian forces on the territory.
Scalp target filled. Nice little scalp on the S&P. Aggro scalp, but I mean, we're dealing with news in Russia and this and that. I'd rather be aggro right now than anything, but beautiful bounce. Very nice retest. Earlier bears who got freaked out on that move down thinking, yes, the news is bearish, short it, short it. Wait a minute. Why is it back above the POC? Oh no, get me out. And let him out.
Ukraine State Nuclear Company, Russian forces leaving Chernobyl are headed towards.
We helped them a little bit, you know, but hey. Well, I don't know if we helped them too much. I actually made their job a little bit harder. Going ahead of them at the low. Oscar committee's thinking of appointing Mike Tyson as host. Oh, man. Oh. Nobody's throwing punches at Tyson. He's pretty passivistic now, isn't he? Is that even a word? Like, he's kind of found his zen now, I think. Still, I wouldn't want to be on the dude's wrong side. I mean, I'm sure his forearms are bigger than my friggin' thighs, but, you know, like, there's people that you just don't mess with regardless. It was an interview where Tyson was sitting down with Ali, and he's like, no, he'd win. I'm not going to fight him. He'd win. That's just respect, you know? Like, nope. Get some bodyguards up there or something, man, like a concert. Look at this bouncing. Right back above. POC still a fight. 45.84 quarters still hasn't changed. NQ testing 15K. Messy spot. Look at the Dow. Oh, there it goes. Woo, Lordy. The YM just went screaming higher. Broke to a new high on the Dow. What just happened? Wow. I'm going to look to try to grab a bid on this, on the S&P. 86.5 to 87.5. I like this area. Yeah, immediately scalped out. This is not a trade that you're going to see me take very often, but this is a very, very interesting scenario going on with the Dow staying at its highs, aggressively punching into the top. The Dow and the S&P maintain for years, decades, maybe longer, an 80% correlation with one another. The Dow generally lately has been leading the pack. I have to take note. Nice little quick correlation scalp on the S&P. Very fast. Basically, buy the bid, hit the ass, GTFO. What a candle on bar 4's Dow. Wow.